Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is Lab 10.1.10, and we are going to use pidof. So, as a system administrator, you will frequently need to identify the process ID, PID of a running process. The pidof tool is specifically designed for this task. You are currently logged in as the root user. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to complete the following. Method 1 is to find the PID for the rpc.mountd process as follows, and then use the psaux command and redirect its output to the process.txt file. Use the grep command to search the processes.txt file to find the process ID of the rpc mount D. And then we are also going to use method 2, use the pidof command to find the process ID of rpc mount D, and typically the output of the ps command is piped directly to the grep command. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So we just go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video material to help you with your educational needs. So we'll wait for this to load, and the lab has loaded. So we'll go ahead and open terminal, and from the first task we are going to type in ps space aus space the forward arrow, and you type in processes.txt. And then you press enter. And then you type in grep space rpc.mount. The mount has to end with a D, and then space processes.txt. And then you press enter. And then you type in pidof rpc.mount that ends with a D, and you press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful to you, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.